Today, we're looking at a unique hybrid device, a solar-powered outdoor light that also acts as a fake security camera. This product combines a motion-activated floodlight with a simulated camera housing, all powered by the sun. It's designed for easy pole-mount installation, no wiring needed. Let's dive into the features. First, the dual working mode. It has a PIR motion sensor that detects movement up to 20 to 26 feet with a 120-degree angle. When triggered, it turns on a bright 800 lumen light for 20 seconds, illuminating an area of 40 to 55 feet and 2,300 square feet. After that, it switches to infrared lighting, saving energy while maintaining visibility. Second, long operation time. The 5-watt LED panel with polycarbonate lenses is efficient. The 2600 mAh battery charges fully in 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight and can run continuously for up to 40 hours. That's impressive for a solar light. Third, pole mount installation. The bracket is versatile and adjustable, fitting round or square poles. You can mount it on fence posts, mailbox posts, deck railings, or street poles without drilling. The twist mount allows easy rotation for optimal light direction. Fourth, durability. With an IP66 waterproof rating, it handles rain, snow, and dust. The ABS plastic housing is rust-proof and works in temperatures from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees to 120 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ideal for yards, garages, patios, and driveways. Finally, after-sales service. The light charges during the day and auto-activates at night. It's low maintenance. The company offers a 30-day refund guarantee and a 1-year free replacement. Support is available via email. In summary, this solar fake camera light is a cost-effective security deterrent. It provides illumination, motion detection, and the visual deterrent of a camera. The pole mount is a standout feature, making installation flexible. If you need a bright solar-powered light with a security camera look, this is worth considering. The 40-hour runtime is excellent. Just ensure it gets enough direct sunlight. Overall, a solid product for outdoor security.